Standing by someone. A guide to unwavering support. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase in the English language: to stand by someone. This phrase is packed with emotion and commitment, and understanding its usage can add depth to your communication skills. Let's explore what it means to truly stand by someone and how you can use this expression in your everyday English conversations. When we say, to stand by someone, we're talking about offering unwavering support and loyalty to a person, especially during their tough times. This isn't about physically standing next to someone, it's about showing solidarity, being a dependable friend or ally, and sticking with them through thick and thin. It's a powerful expression of trust, loyalty, and friendship. To better grasp this phrase, let's look at some examples. In friendship, even when everyone else doubted my decisions, my best friend stood by me, showing me the true meaning of friendship. In family, no matter what happens, I will always stand by you. In professional contexts, the team stood by their leader during the crisis, showing unity and strength. Each of these examples showcases the depth of commitment and the emotional bond signified by the phrase. Standing by someone can have a profound impact. It can provide emotional strength to the person being supported, helping them navigate through difficult times. For the one offering support, it's a testament to their character and the depth of their relationships. This phrase embodies the essence of human connection and the strength that comes from unity. Here are a few ways to show you stand by someone in real life. Listen. Sometimes, all someone needs is a listening ear. Offer help. Whether it's practical assistance or emotional support, be there for them. Stay consistent. Support isn't just for the bad times, it's for all times. Communicate. Let them know you're there for them, no matter what. To stand by someone is more than just a phrase. It's a commitment to support and be there for someone through life's ups and downs. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and inspired you to stand by those important to you. Remember, standing by someone can make a world of difference in their lives. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to stand by us by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more insightful videos. See you next time.